Well, I have to say how much I love the Yiddish Book Center. Interesting. I I have this wonderful, this crazed notion that somewhere in the future that we can't see, Yiddish and Yiddishkeit and the Yiddish Book Center in the forefront are going in some ways to define the American Jewish experience of the future. My shul, which calls itself an unorthodox shul, has a lot of Yiddishkeit, a lot of feeling, that feeling, although being above all a brilliant religious institution, it has that wonderful feeling of Yiddishkeit, that feeling of continuity, of warmth, of immigrant experience. Even though a lot of our ritual is Sephardic-based, it means warmth to me. It means something very different from the cheder that I'm sure my father went to. So, I don't know. I'm a great fan, and I give what I can because I think it's exciting. So I'm glad you're all here.